just got out here on beautiful Lake Geneva. It is an amazing morning, obviously. Sun's just coming up. We're getting ready to rock, getting on some smallies here. Got John and Jeremy with me. They're trying to tie up. I'm already rigged up. I'll be fishing in about 2 seconds. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, I'm on two.
Huh?
I'm on two, I think. Double trouble. And that didn't take long for a double. Yeah, I think so, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, big hog. Yeah, it's up by Jeremy. Oh, here he comes again. Oh.
This is a big one.
Is it?
No.
Grab that net.
I don't have it.
Oh, you do have a tank on. You do have a tank, Jeremy. Look at that clear water, dude. That's a giant.
Oh, coming over you.
Oh my god.
Oh, I lost.
Are you serious?
Broke off. Dang.
That's a hog too. Yours is bigger than mine, and mine's a nice one.
It was caught on something. Nice one.
Or a big fish. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one, man. It's coming up. Oh, I stay down.
I don't know if I need to reel up.
I mean, it's going your way, but I think you're okay. It is going your way, but here it comes. Oh, it almost hit the surface. It's a heavy fish, man. I see it jump. Oh, them big ones don't even come out of the water.
Huh?
That's them big ones can't even get out of the water when they come up. Oh, it's a hog. It's a really good one. Oh, it's a really good one. Oh, I love it. That clear water, man. Oh! I tried keeping him down so he wouldn't jump. Pulled it right out of him. That was 20 all day. On, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Ram's back.
Oh! Little guy or what?
Smaller.
That's my little spot right there. We didn't hook up the first time through there, but little male.
Largemouth?
No, it ain't.
Huh?
No, it ain't. You ain't fighting like that, no damn largemouth. That's so cool. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. Big fish? Better not be 13 inches again.
It's coming up.
Is it? Oh, yeah. You're on the wrong side of the boat there, homie.
Go over my line.
That's off.
He got off.
I saw that. It popped before I even got all the way over your rod.
John, you were fast.
Damn it, John. You thought you had bottoms.
I saw. I was like, yeah, I saw his rod.
Not bottom.
Got a little butterfly. Oh, dude.
Tank.
Felt like bottom.
Is it?
Fucking rod. That ain't no
Pike. Large mouth.
Oh,
It is a pike.
Big wall.
Yeah.
It's a pike.
I told you it was.
Keeper.
Yeah.
Oh, that
Woo! I got wet.
ain't that big. I can't keep going for small. It's already gone, honestly.
Get out of my spot. Think you own this lake? Huh? I remember my first cast. We caught a bunch, but we lost some absolute tanks earlier. Me and Jeremy were doubled up. I had like a 17, 18, he had like a 20. And then I had a real big one on and freaking had it 3 feet behind the boat and lost it. Oh, I missed mine. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I don't know if you're over or under.
I don't know where he's at.
I don't know.
Going to the right side. Going to the right.
What do you got on there? Mega?
That fucker ripped the rod out of the hand. I didn't even was already fighting. I tried to let the thing off and the fucking bail.
That's what mine happened. I couldn't let go fast enough.
That's up here.
And that's up by you. You can grab it, can't you? Or you can put my coat on the other way. Good one or what? Oh yeah. Not a giant. Not a giant. There you go. 17-ish. Yo.
Hooked up.
Lindy rigging, baby.
Lindy rag.
Oh yeah, look at that thing. That's so cool.
Got the net here.
Yeah, don't need no nets. Yeah, boys. Perfect. Oh, he was there. The fish. Oh my God. I was on like 5 when that happened.
Let me know.
It's right there.
So far, so good.
As soon as I get in a little closer, just fire it back out there. course, gotta be hooked up when people. Yeah. There you go. No, it's I grab it.
Huh?
I'll grab it if you want. It's just a little guy. Or unless you want to here, just hand it to me. All right, I'll get it. You out there, Jeremy?
Huh?
You out there?
No, I left it.
Oh, what the? Oh, that's a little male. Smoked it though. Little male. He was pegged. He wasn't coming off ever. Boom. As soon as they hit it, I'm letting go. Oh, there he is.
Oh, I got one.
There he is. You on?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, he's gone.
Ah, I'm on. Oh, God dang. That was back to back. I think it's another smaller fish, though. I don't know where the big mamas go that we were on before. I think you're okay.
Huh?
You might be okay.
Sure.
Oh, no, they just jumped right on your line. You were okay.
See if I can.
I think you're off. You're off. Shoo. There you go, little male. Bottom feels good, don't it? John just struck gold. What you got there, dude?
Big bait.
Oh yeah, that's gonna get slammed so fast. We're right in the hot spot too. Oh, I need like a dozen of those.
Oh, and there's a crib right there.
Yep, you're about to go over here in a minute. On the perch, baby. Dude, every time you put a perch on there, I wish you'd just go catch like 50 perch.
If we had the back one.
Don't even buy minnows.
Huh?
We won't even buy minnows. We'll just.
That's definitely not a smallmouth bass.
You don't think so?
No.
Probably another
hell no.
damn pike.
Big old walleye.
Hell no, that thing ain't digging, fighting, nothing.
Another pike. Yep. Look at that pike.
Or is it a ski?
It's a pike.
Yep.
That's a
You-
better one,
You like them pike, don't you?
4-pound cat.
Yep. Perch is gone. More. No smalley action for you.
though. Oh well. That was your only shot at a smallmouth. They're hooked up again.
On the A-rig. It's like so predictable, this spot. Like, try not to lose this one though, alright?
I opened the bit on this one. Going to the. We were good, yeah. Oh, just jumping. There. It's going behind us. Go over the.
Jeez, we're gonna do this one again?
Huh?
So we're gonna do this one again?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Hold on. It's way on the bottom. That's cool as hell. Tank.
Alright.
That's a good one, bro.
Oh,
Try Watching the net job. What kind of net man you got here? That's a good one. That's a good one. Alright. 19. I don't know, I can't really tell you what the fuck it is.
19 and a quarter.
Good one.
Let's see. So.
Get this clear water, man.
Huh?
Get him in this clear water. You got some sun now and everything. Hold him by the belly so he swims away, thanks. Alright. There you go.
Alright. Alright.